equivalent to a cinematic experience. And I genuinely believe it is best to go see Note, which, as your interview really intimated at, is a film that leaves you with tons of questions. It's so much better to go and see it completely blind. Don't watch the trailer. If you see the poster, that's already too much. Just know it's a Jordan film. It's a Jordan Peele film, and you're always going to be in good hands with him. And this film is big and intimate at the same time. It's intimate because it has only really 4 characters. It's got OJ and M, the wonderful Daniel Kaluuya and Keke Palmer. Keke Palmer especially, who just sizzles on the screen. This woman has over 100 credits and she's 30 years old. This woman is a star, and the film really lets her shine. Daniel Kaluuya, we know he's a star. He's one of the greatest actors of his generation. That man communicates more in a single eyeball movement than most actors do in their entire body. And then there's Stephen Young as Duke, who is this sort of former child star actor who now runs a very weird cowboy-themed amusement park in the middle of nowhere, who also has another connection with the